excited to see you all after so long. Oh yeah, आपको हाय बोलना है? हाय बोलो, हेलो बोलो, नमस्ते बोलो, कुछ तो बोलो. नहीं, कुछ नहीं बोलेंगे. ये बहुत बिगड़ैल बच्चे हैं. And thank you so much. इनका जो वीडियो मैंने आपसे शेयर किया था, आप लोगों ने उसको इतना प्यार दिया. Thank you so much इन्हें ब्लेस करने के लिए. नो लड़ाई नहीं करने की है. नो लड़ना नहीं है. Anyways, so इस बार का स्टूडियो टूर बहुत ज़्यादा स्पेशल है मेरे लिए because the first time when you are coming to my home, so I'm super excited to welcome you. So please come.
So a little background first. In every 2 to 3 years, we move to a new city, because of Bharat's job. So we pack the entire house, load them into a truck. और इस ट्रक का साइज देखिए आप. इसको देखते ही मुझे लगा कि कब तो मैं इसे अनलोड करूँगी और कैसे सेटल होंगी. Anyway, हम लोग नई सिटी पहुँचे एंड वी वेटेड फॉर 2 months एंड वी गॉट दिस अकोमोडेशन, जिसको पहले मैंने और मेरी प्यारी यमी ने इंस्पेक्ट किया. एंड द बेस्ट थिंग आई लव्ड अबाउट दिस हाउस वाज दिस विंडो सेक्शन. इससे पहले मुझे इतनी लिटेड और इतनी ब्यूटीफुल व्यू पहले वाले घरों में कभी नहीं मिला था. सो आई वाज सुपर एक्साइटेड एंड आई जस्ट वांटेड टू कम हियर एंड जस्ट सेटल अप एज सून एज पॉसिबल. सो घर मिलते ही मैंने अपना पेंटिंग टेबल सेट किया एंड यूजुअली आपने मेरी पेंटिंग वीडियोस में ये वाइट बोर्ड देखा होगा. सो आई यूज दिस टू चेंज माई बैकग्राउंड समटाइम्स. एंड दिस वर्ल्ड मैप पेंटिंग मुझे अभी तक समझ नहीं आया कि मैं इसे कहाँ रखूँगी. आई थिंक इट लुक्स गुड देयर. Alright, so these drawers are my color and brush organizers, and in this drawer I have kept all my shipping labels and shipping material basically. और ये आ गया हमारा easel यहाँ पे. So basically इस बार मैं पुराने easels यूज़ नहीं कर रही हूँ ताकि थोड़ी सी जगह बनी रहे. And this time I also get this chair for myself, and I was searching for this color from a very long time. Finally I found it online. Mostly everything that you see in my studio is bought online. So if in case you want to check them out or give it a try, I'll try linking them down below in the description box so you may have a look there. And I also call this my therapy seat because this is a place where I read all your comments and it just encourages me to keep going. Thank you so much for all your love. And then at the back you can see this switchboard. So whenever I'm sitting here, it is right behind my head, which is of course not safe. तो मैंने सोचा कि इसको किसी तरीके से cover किया जाए. So I'm just going to be hanging this macrame hanger here. And I wanted to keep this wall very simple, so I'm just adding few plants and very limited stuff and this beautiful doll, which I find very funny and cute, so I think it's the best place for her to sit around and watch me all the time. और मुझे कैंडल्स बहुत पसंद है, so ये कैंडल स्टैंड मैं यहाँ लगा रही हूँ. इस वॉल को मैं थोड़ा सिंपल ही रखूँगी because I want my future artworks to come here. और मैं आपको बता नहीं सकती that how much I love this balcony. Although I have not been able to spend much time here क्योंकि मेरा सारा टाइम पैकिंग और सेटलिंग अप में ही निकल गया है. But Yummy, my Lado, is having great time here. और टी हमारी छुटकी क्योंकि अभी बहुत छोटी है तो अभी इसे ग्रिल से नीचे गिरने का डर लगा रहता है हमें, तो इसलिए अभी हम उसे नहीं लेके आते. And this time I'm not keeping my IKEA trolley here because I got a very cool organizer which does it all for me. And now moving on to the next section, which is going to be my living room area. So I'm placing this sofa here. I got this online as well. And this time I'm keeping the center table on the side area completely away from the center area because I want some space for my kids to hang around. So basically बीच वाला area अगर खाली रहेगा तो it's good, Yummy and T can run around and play there. So I'm just keeping it on the side because this is not required at all. और ये टेबल टी छुपने के लिए यूज़ करती है because जब भी वो यमी से परेशान हो जाती है she just hides there, and because यमी थोड़ी बड़ी हो गई है तो उसके अंदर फिट नहीं आ पाती है. So it's a cool place for T to just hide away from her. And then comes this rug, which is an absolute favorite place for Yummy and T. They love spending time here. और ये छोटा सा सेक्शन है for all my kettles. I love drinking tea. I think ये reason है that I named my younger furry baby Tea. And this ukulele, which I'm super bad at playing, is also kept here. Well, I enjoy my music, so sometimes I do play it, and people just don't want me to play back again. And now comes the most difficult part in the entire decor process, which was how to organize these paintings on the wall. So in the first step, what I basically did was just laid them out on a carpet and shuffle them around so that I can home on the best position for each painting. In step 2, I got these cutouts made for each painting and placed them on the wall first to avoid wrongly nailing your paintings and spoiling the wall. And in the last step, just go ahead and place them all together. Ta-da! This is done! And now let's move on to the next section, which is my editing corner. I like to keep it clean and clutter-free as much as possible, and I have hidden all the wires and stuff and Wi-Fi connection and everything inside this basket. And above it, I have my awards from YouTube and TEDx. This is basically to stay motivated and feel blessed. And next to it is this musical corner where Bharat likes to sing and play. Just besides it, we have another couch whose leg we broke while moving, so these things do happen. But I think this was required as this has made it much easier for Yummy to jump in, and these two just love being here, and especially while I'm editing, they're always over here sleeping or playing around. And then this side table over here is made by fixing this wooden tray and umbrella holder, and इसमें I like to keep my planner and थोड़े से अखरोट to munch on, जो कि Yummy चोरी कर लेती है, तो आपको ये धीरे धीरे थोड़े कम होते हुए मिलेंगे. Moving on, here we have a console table where I have placed few painting prints, and beneath this I have these two baskets. So this one is to store my packing material for prints like rolls, and this bag here has envelopes. This really helps me in keeping things organized. And before these two cuties come in and spoil the entire thing, let me just quickly give you a final studio tour. With me today, and if you did, then please hit the like button and subscribe for more such interesting videos. Till then, take care and thanks for watching.